The demand curve for monopolist is given by P equals negative 15x plus 15,010. Fixed costs are $1 million, while unit costs are $10. Find the profit maximizing level of output and the maximum profit that can be realized. Okay, so we need to start here by finding the profit function. To do that, we need to figure out the total revenue. Total revenue is price times quantity. We know that the price is given by negative 15x plus 15,010. And so when we distribute that x into the bracket, we get negative 15x squared plus 15,010x. So that gives our total revenue. And we know our total costs are fixed cost plus variable cost. Our fixed costs are $1 million. Our variable costs are a per unit cost of $10 times the number of units, which means our profit, which is total revenue minus total cost, is going to be negative 15x squared plus 15,010x minus our total costs, which are $1 million, plus 10x. We distribute that negative sign into the bracket and combine like terms. We get 15,010x minus a 10x because of the distributed negative sign. We get negative 15x squared plus 15,000x minus $1 million. So that's our profit function. To find the profit maximizing level of output, we take the derivative of the profit function, we set it equal to 0. So the derivative, which we'll call profit prime, is going to be the 2 multiplies by the 15, so negative 30x to the 1. Derivative of 15,000x is 15,000, and the derivative of negative $1 million is 0. There's no variable there, so it's a constant. We set this equal to 0, and we solve for x. So we're going to move the 30x over here, it becomes positive. And when we divide, we get x equals 500. So we need to sell 500 units at the best price we can get for that in order to maximize our profit. So the most profit that we can make is by selling that many units. So we plug that into our profit function. So the profit maximizing level of output is right here. The maximum profit is at x equals 500. And so this is given by negative 15 times 500 squared plus 15,000 times 500 minus $1 million. So we end up making a profit here of $2.75 million. So that's the answer to B. So that's the maximum profit that can be realized. If we want to figure out the price that the monopolist should sell at, which isn't a question that we've asked here, but maybe something that we're interested in, then the price is given by negative 15x plus 1510, I should say. So the price is going to be negative 15 times 500 plus 15010. So the price should be 75.10. So if we produce 500 units, sell them each at 75.10 per unit, we will realize a maximum profit of $2.75 million. And that's the maximum profit that we can earn in this situation.